TOMAR's new service truck lighting package provides a streamlined, synchronized, turnkey solution for adding a fully populated overhead light bar and 4 additional warning lights to any fleet vehicle. Connected to the digital control panel via a simple plug-and-play RJ45, which provides both system control and programming, connecting the light bar only requires 2 additional wires connected to the vehicle for positive and negative 12 to 24 VDC. External lamps are phased opposite of each other and match the pre-programmed flash rates of the light bar for a synchronized, professional look. Being controlled by the light bar, both dimming and programming functions are mimicked on the external lamps from the light bar. Programming changes are simple with TOMAR's digital interface and require no extra equipment. System changes can be made in minutes and can be locked to avoid future fleet appearance changes. Plug-and-play work truck packages are now available at tomar.com.